My name is Cyrus Fazel. I'm the CEO and proud founder of Swissborg. At Swissborg, we're developing a new wealth management ecosystem that's based on a meritocratic system. We'll be offering different financial services and products to make it accessible to the entire world. So blockchain, we got to a part where a lot of people are investing into blockchain because they're seeing the hype out of it. But in terms of how will it actually change the world, first it's from its property of making sure that the counting of all transactions are made in a very perfect, immutable way. That's the first way. We know about that. But more importantly, so what we're thinking, which is the next step, is that when you own a wallet, you actually own a bank account. But that means you actually own as well a fund. So what we're doing with the Swissborg app is that in 3 steps, you could go from fiat to crypto to a crypto indice, and that indice could be replicated within your own wallet. So you're not buying into a fund, you're buying into a strategy that all these tokens goes into your wallet or your fund or your bank account, which is based on the blockchain. Right, we're always talking about, what is the winning ecosystem, what's the right technologies going forward. And within the fintech space, we know very much that blockchain is taking care of owning the data. It's very good about accounting. But that could only work in a perfect way if you're applying quantitative measures. So a lot of people are talking about AI. We're talking more about pattern recognition for trading. This thing is very important to look at what are the trends, what are the technical analysts, should I buy, should I sell. Based on past data, you could actually predict future trends. But there's another way to look at AI and pattern recognition is more on risk profiles. So financial behavior. If someone is looking at your app and trying to verify the price whenever there's volatility, maybe you could reduce his risk to another risk profile. So financial behavior and as well trading is 2 parts where I think so blockchain is going to take a big place, but AI is going to take over as well. That combination of 2. So we all know what's blockchain's technology, but we don't understand fully what's its philosophy. And the philosophy of what it is that based on Bitcoin, what is it? Is that you have to mine, and in order to mine, you would have to, pay a lot of electricity bills, have great CPUs and machines to mine it, and based on your mining, you get then rewarded. So this is a bit about how we built this ecosystem of blockchain. And what we think at Swissborg, you have to do a step even further. It's not just about mining or something. You actually contribute to the project. So the first case scenario that we worked out only 1 month after our ICO is the referendum. So everyone that actually has to answer a question on the blockchain, has to vote for an answer, then gets rewarded. So this is a great way for us to actually make a proof of meritocracy, meaning that you are contributing to the network and therefore you're getting rewarded. So I was introduced to crypto in several ways, but the day I bought it is actually a funny story. It came from the fact that my dad was in Iran and he needed some money. And he needed some money to actually buy alcohol. And in Iran it's illegal. I don't know how much this is going to be viral, hopefully not too much. But essentially I wanted to buy a present for my dad. He was in Iran and his alcohol provider was able to accept Bitcoin.